Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. And in this third segment of Are You Ready to Cut the Cord, I will be discussing about scanning your television for your local TV stations. And what this does is it enables you to pick up the TV signals in your local area. Once you get those TV signals scanned into your television, you're pretty much good to go. You should be able to pick up all the TV signals in your viewing area. However, periodically, television stations will change their programming, whether they add channels or whether they change them from one channel to another. Some entirely just get discontinued. So every now and then you have to rescan your television to pick up those channels or pick up the changing of the programming channels from the TV networks. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, this is going to be a Sony Bravia television, and it's still digital nonetheless. It does have a built-in tuner, so I don't need a converter box. So if you have a converter box, the same steps should apply to the converter box, but you'd have to check the manual. But this video will show how to rescan the television or your television without the need of a converter box. Okay, here I am with the TV's remote in my hand, and what you're going to look for is a button on the remote that says Home Menu or Settings, something like that, but it'll probably say Menu. Okay, so you're going to press that button once. That should get you into the menu of the television, and you're going to want to go over to where it says channel, and you're going to select the input yes for that, or press the button, the middle cursor button, to access it, and then you're going to go to signal type. In this case, you press the button to access that. It's going to give you the option of cable or antenna. Once you choose antenna, you're going to go down to add digital channels. Add digital channels will search for cable or antenna channels based on the current signal type settings, and then you will select OK. Once you do that, the TV will search for those channels or scan for the channels. Now, this could take up to 30 minutes to complete, so you have to be patient with it and let it work. As you can see, the channel search has been completed and has found 52 channels. And now all you have to do is exit out of that, go back to the main screen of the TV, and you have your television channels. And there they are. So it's not that difficult. Very easy. If you have any other questions about this, you can get in contact with the television's manufacturer. They should have emails and phone numbers that you are able to contact them and get extra help or extended help if you need it. So I hope this helps you guys out. You guys take care, be safe, peace out.